Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to back up WhatsApp messages on Android. Here are the steps to back up WhatsApp messages on Android. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the WhatsApp app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, choose Settings. Tap Chats to open chat related settings. Tap Chat Backup. Under Google account, tap the Choose or Add a Google account where your backup will be saved. Then tap on your chosen Google account to be used for backup. Tap Automatic Backups. Then choose how often you want backups. For example, as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi Fi to avoid mobile data usage during backup. If you want to include videos, turn on Include Videos. This may increase backup size. Plug in your phone charger if your battery is low. Backups can take time. Tap the backup button to start the process manually. Wait while WhatsApp backs up your chats and media to Google Drive. Once completed, you'll see the last backup date and time displayed under the chat backup section. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.